What's up, everyone? Welcome to Power Play with CJ. I just saw the hit on Brooks Orpik late on John Taves. And it was a clean hit. Plain and simple. There's no need to go out there and fight in retaliation. I think it was stupid. I know I've been really, really, really critical of Orpik in the past. I think he gets away with a lot, but that was a clean hockey hit. And as a guy like Orpik, you got to go out there and you have to set a physical presence on a night in, night out basis. That's what you're gonna do. And Mike Milbury is an idiot for the comments. And the bottom line is Milbury's claim to fame is he climbed into the stands with a shoe and beat a fan with it. So I mean, like let's keep it in perspective with Milbury. As much as him and Roenick give a nice back and forth dynamic, and I saw a retweet by someone on this that there's no superstars as commentators. I mean, Roenick was a very 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 good player, borderline Hall of Famer. Milbury was anything but. And you're looking at the NFL having Troy Aikman doing color commentary, and Magic Johnson working for ESPN for a long time, and so many of the game's greats go on it and work in television and help market the brand, because if you want to market the NBA, you're not going to have AC Green doing call on ESPN talking. You want Magic Johnson, who left ESPN last year. You catch my drift. Is it time to get the Wayne Gretzky's and the Mark Messier's on TV? Yeah, I think so. And I know it's personal decisions for guys like that, but you want to market the game better. And having Mike Milbury talk about hockey, can get nauseating. And he wasn't a great player, and he was a god awful GM. So that's what it is with Milbury. But back to the Orpik Dave thing. Clean hit by Orpik. And I'm one of Orpik's biggest critics, but at the same time you gotta call a spade, and that was not a spade at all. But again, people are gonna overreact to stupid stuff, and God bless the internet for that. But again, bottom line, clean hit by Orpik. Mike Milbury's an idiot. Anyway, that's on this episode of the Power Play with CJ on Orpik's hit on Taves and Mike Milbury's comments to different episodes through the season and beyond. Later, guys.